koala's scientific name is Phascastus cinereus. Classifications: Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Chordate, Class Mammal, Order Therapsid, Family Koalas, Genus Phascastus, Species Cinereus. Adaptations for koalas. Koalas have adapted to only eucalyptus leaves, which are very low in protein and toxic to many other animal species, and being able to digest them means there is little to no competition when it comes to getting food. Koalas also have climbing strength, which comes from their thighs, and paws that are specially adapted to gripping and climbing. They also have curved spines to help with support and comfort when sitting in trees. Habitat and distribution. A koala's habitat is defined by a select group of trees. Koalas are found in higher density forests with more fertile soils. Koalas' distributions range from northeast Queensland to a small selection in South Australia. Koalas are mostly found in the northern New South Wales. Role in the ecosystem. Koalas are important to the Australian environment and ecosystem because their droplets feed the forest floor, which helps the woodland grow and regenerate, leading to a higher increase in biodiversity. Koala food chain. Koalas are herbivores, which means they get their food and energy from a producer, in their case eucalyptus leaves, which use photosynthesis to convert sunlight into energy, which is then transferred when eaten. Koalas are then eaten by dingoes and large owls, which are apex predators who are at the top of the food chain, also known as carnivores and omnivores. What happens if koalas become extinct? Koalas are also an important part of the food chain as they serve as prey for large carnivores in the ecosystems. Koalas create a tourism industry which feeds the economy. Koalas contributed $1.1 billion into the economy. This translates to around 9,000 jobs. Part of koalas' endangerment is land loss. Since European settlement, approximately 80% of koalas' lands have been decimated. Of the remaining 20%, almost none is protected. Diseases like chlamydia have seen up to 100% infection rate in the koala community. What is being done? In January 2022, the Australian government announced an additional $50 million over 4 years to maintain the support and recovery and conservation of koalas. How can you help? Donate to a koala conservation charity, adopt a koala, purchase koala merch for a good cause, advocate for koalas, fight climate change and climate change criminalists, plant trees for koalas virtually.
Created using Powtoon.